How to use Snapchat Bitmoji TV feature. To use the Snapchat Bitmoji TV feature, first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device, then log into your account. Now, you simply have to tap the Stories or Discover icon from the bottom navigation bar or simply swipe towards left from the camera view. Now, once you're here within the Stories panel, you simply have to now search for the Bitmoji TV. You should be able to find this magnifying glass icon on the top left corner. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you simply have to type Bitmoji TV. Go ahead and then search for this. Now, once you search for the Bitmoji TV, you should be able to find the official Bitmoji TV show page from the search results. You simply have to go ahead and then choose a co-star play and then tap the play button on any episode tile to start watching your personalized animation. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.